Hello everyone, today I'm going to be presenting you about my game called Snakes and Ladders. So today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about my game Snakes and Ladders. As you can see, my game is made out of a math patterning game. And it is consistent of pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, or green, pink, green, pink, green, pink. So it is considered a repetitive pattern, so it could teach children about repetition, it could teach children about colors, it even could teach children about shapes because you have a triangle, star, circle. And children can learn all sorts of different ways of creating their own pattern. Like creating their AB pattern or an ABC pattern. But first you want to be able to set rules for your game. So you're going to tell your children in the game, so please give me 5. So legs are crossed, hands are still, ears are listening, eyes are watching, and lips are zipped. So you want to set your expectation. You want to tell your children that it's important for them to be quiet during the game. And you want to also explicitly tell them that you need to listen to the instructions. So you set out your instructions and you tell children. See how many children want to play your game first. So as you can see here, it's a Snakes and Ladders game. So you might want to have 4 or even 5 children, as many children. They can sit around a table or even sit on the floor. But it's a really nice game because children could even make their own game. And they could even make their own game with paper and pencil, or they could have like a printout like this and just color it in, which is a very nice way. And it doesn't need to be complicated. You know, they can just sit down and color, and they just really love to do all kinds of creative activities, and this might be one of them. So as you can see, all I did was, for my pieces, I used a paper clip and I used paper. Like this, it could be construction paper, it could be white paper, whatever is easier. And I decided to change the color. So one is pink, one is yellow. And so I have a dice here. So it's made out of something also that I found. So just try to be creative. Like, so everything here is basically made for the activity. And which is also very nice for kids to actually engage in creating their own things in the Snakes and Ladders game. So I'll show you how I'm going to be playing my game now. So first I'm going to start off by rolling my dice. So I'm going to start off, I got 5. So I'm going to pretend I'm pink. First person is pink. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I land on the yellow. And then I'm going to roll my dice again. Now I'm the yellow player, so I landed on the 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that I've landed on that 5, we're both on 5. So to break that, I'm gonna roll my dice again. So that's 2. So 1, 2. So you could even read the instructions. You could help the children read the instructions, especially because they're in kindergarten. Some of them will be able to read it on their own, but it's always nice to read it. So this says go to the red star. So you find the red star. So this is the red star and the yellow. And it's nice because children see who won. And always telling kids, like, if you have, for example, in your classroom, like I know in the classroom I'm in right now, if you have Carpies or if you have points, always a nice reinforcement for, you know, if you have positive behavior, you're going to get a point, you're going to get an award at the end of the week. Always being able to reinforce the children with an award or an activity of their choice. And so the book that I've considered to use in my activity, which links to my Snakes and Ladders game, is called ABABA, A Book of Pattern Play. So this book is really nice because it teaches you all about patterning. And so it starts you off with ABAB patterns. So as you can see, they're learning about patterning. They have blue, red, and they're showing you all kinds of ways of patterning. So they're showing it in colors, they're identifying it through shapes, they're showing it through a baseball, ice cream, and a tea. And so they're showing you all kinds of ways that you can use it for patterning. They're showing it as boy, girl, and so all kinds of ways show it. So once again, it's really neat. It teaches you repetition. It teaches you about how children could use it for their own play-based learning in the classroom. So it's a very neat and relevant way of using a game, which is my Snakes and Letters game. And thank you for listening. Have a good night. Bye.